caldereta, one of my favourites.
Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new cooking video. Today we are going to make this lovely and utterly delicious caldereta. But before that, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more content just like this and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I have a new video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help my channel immensely and it will help me to carry on creating new content for you every week. And if you are an existing subscriber, hello, it's lovely to see you again. Thank you so much for coming back. Here I have a kilogram of beef brisket cut into cubes. Don't worry too much about those little fats on the meat. They're only very little and they will add so much flavor on your caldereta. Garlic, onions, potatoes. I'm only using a large potato, just one green pepper and one red pepper, 2 medium-sized carrots. Then we're going to use a cup of chopped tomatoes. If you have fresh tomatoes, you can use about half a dozen, but I don't have any, so I am using these Morrison's chopped tomatoes, just a cup of it. A cup of tomato sauce. Then I'm going to add a liver spread. This is a Filipino style beef liver spread that I got from the Asian shop, but you can use any liver spread that you have. In fact, I needed 2, but I only have 1 in stock, so I'm going to use this one. That will do for now. I'm also going to add a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, but this is only optional. If you don't fancy using cheese, then you don't have to, but this one adds a little bit of creaminess to the sauce. If you have a mild one, use it, it's even better. This will go in the dish right before serving. 450 ml of beef stock. Here I have 2 stock cubes that I dissolve in 450 ml of water. First, I'm going to brown the potatoes, followed by carrots, and set aside. Next, we saute the onions. Followed by garlic. Then the meat. Season the meat with salt and pepper. Now let's add the chopped tomatoes. Followed by tomato sauce and beef stock. Then we add the carrots and potatoes. Cover and simmer on low heat for 45 minutes to an hour. But remember to stir every 20 minutes to ensure that nothing is stuck in the bottom and nothing gets burnt. So it's been 45 minutes. Let's see if the meat is tender. I am using chopsticks here. Ooh, it is tender, which is good, but not quite. So we are going to simmer it for a further 45 minutes. But before that, I am going to add these leftover baked beans. I have here about half a cup of baked beans. I'm going to mix it in as well. This is only optional. If you don't have baked beans, then you don't have to. I just happen to have a leftover from last night. Then we add the peppers and beef liver spread. Let's just stir in the liver spread. Oh, I hate, this is why I don't use metal spoons when stirring. I just don't like the sound of it in the pot. Yummy. We put the lid back, simmer for further 15 minutes. Then it needs a little bit of black pepper. You may notice I haven't added the cheese. It's because I am not going to serve it straight away since the husband is not going to be home until tomorrow. So if you're going to use the cheese straight away, make sure that you turn off the heat, stir it for a little bit until the cheese have melted, and then serve straight away because you don't want the cheese to burn in your pot. Now your caldereta is done. Look at that. Oh, look how beautiful this plate is. And oh, it smells beautiful. It just smells gorgeous because of the pepper in it. Oh, lovely. Now, this time I am going to sprinkle my grated cheese, like so. I think I put too much, but you know what? It's gonna be creamy. Let's eat, guys. Let's try this, guys. Kain po tayo. Look at that. The cheese has now melted. Let's try the meat. Cheers, guys. Mm. Mm. Oh my god, it's so good. That cheese has added a little bit of creaminess to it without overpowering the sauce. Oh, it's gorgeous. Mm. Mm. Let's have a little bit of this potato with cheese. Mm. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is so good. This is perfect for rice, absolutely perfect for rice. You know what? When my mom makes caldereta, she puts pineapple in it. I don't. So my husband's favorite is my mom's caldereta because of the pineapple. I must admit it tastes nice, but I'm just not used to making it with pineapple. But if my mom makes it with pineapple, yeah, I'm definitely going to devour the whole lot. But if I make it and I put pineapple, it just doesn't taste the same. So I tend not to copy mama's dish. Mm. I must say. Mm. Mm. I need to get a bit more of cheese. Shout out to those that loves cheese. I'm not much of a cheese lover really, but it's just perfect here. And also, it's just very little. It's not a lot, to be honest. Let's finish this, guys. Look at that big bite. Mm. Mm. Oh man, this is so good. I showed this to my husband, but unfortunately he's not gonna make it home tonight. So he said to me, I'm looking forward to eating it tomorrow, a big bowl full of it. Mm. Mm. This is just so good. Mm. Oops. More sauce. More sauce on the rice. Ha! It's got to be rice. Although, if you love potatoes and you're not much keen on having rice, you can put more potatoes. You can put 2 large potatoes in it rather than 1. I've only used 1 because I know we'll be having it with rice. So yummy. Oh, I can hear footsteps. So good. It's quite filling though. I had about half a cup of rice here and about 3 spoonfuls of the caldereta. I'm already full. Having said that, my tummy is a little bit smaller than most people. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video and please do try and make it. And if you do, please tag me both on Facebook and on Instagram. Also, subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. Click the notification bell so you get notified every time I have a new video. And please give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends. It will help my channel immensely. Thank you very much. And I guess that concludes our video for today. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will see you next time. For the time being, you look after yourselves, and I will see you soon. Have you noticed next to me is my rice cooker? Oh my goodness, it's so good. He's home and he's having a snack.
Caldereta.
Oh look, I can see something.
In my mucky old thumb. I just got back from work.
I know.
Rock and roll. Caldereta, one of my favourites. There's definitely cheese in there though.
There's cheese, there's carrots.
It's caldereta, so I can't get it in fast enough.
So you still prefer Mama's caldereta?
Yeah, your mum does the best one, eh?
That's it.
But you do the best adobo. Look at it go. Voila. Super duper.